Hello and welcome to Italiano Chiaro. I am Sarah and today we will talk about idiomatic expressions related to animals. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Essere quattro gatti. Alla festa c'erano quattro gatti. Essere quattro gatti is used in Italian to indicate that in a particular place or situation was just a few people. In Italian we say literally four cats. Essere come cane e gatto. Marco e Carlo sono come cane e gatto. When we say someone is like a dog and cat, we mean that two people don't get along with each other and often fight. Qui gatta ci cova. Marta è strana ultimamente. Qui gatta ci cova. Qui gatta ci cova can be literally translated as here female cat broods. Its meaning is equivalent to the English expression there's something fishy going on. Essere solo come un cane. Mi sono ammalato a Capodanno e sono rimasto solo come un cane. The literal translation for essere solo come un cane is to be as lonely or alone as a dog. The phrase derives from the observation that the dog is, like humans, a social animal. If you were to keep it isolated, away from its own kind, as often happens with guard dogs, it will suffer for wanting company. Fare un freddo cane. Stanotte ha nevicato e fa un freddo cane. The literal translation for fare un freddo cane is to be dog cold. The Italian expression fare un freddo cane refers to extremely cool weather. Though cane literally means dog, here it's used as an intensifier, modifying freddo to mean very cold, extremely cold. Trattare qualcuno come un cane. Il cliente trattò il commesso come un cane. This idiom can be translated literally as to treat somebody like a dog, which means that we treat someone poorly or rudely. Conosco i miei polli. So che i ragazzi non andranno a letto presto come promesso. Conosco i miei polli. This idiom literally means I know my chickens. When you use this idiomatic expression, you mean that you know very well who you are dealing with and you know what to expect from them for better and worse. Essere lento come una lumaca. La mia connessione internet è lenta come una lumaca. This idiom is pretty common and it's used to express that someone or something is extremely slow. We also have another variant which is essere lento come una tartaruga. La mia connessione internet è lenta come una tartaruga. Essere un asino. Essere un somaro. Carlo non studia mai. È un somaro. If you look up the word asino or somaro, the translation will be ignorant, stupid, donkey. Now, I must admit I don't agree with this translation. The way asino is used in Italian refers to someone who doesn't commit to school, doesn't do homework, doesn't pay attention, and is disruptive. Essere un coniglio. Sei un coniglio, pensavo tu fossi più coraggioso. When we call someone a rabbit, it means that the person is a coward. And that's all for today. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Ciao!